Okay, Mom. So, para mas pakilala ka ng mga viewers mo, siguro I'll ask you a few questions. So, let's get real.
Hello! Welcome to my vlog. Vlog ni Manay Gina de Venecia. Oh, may pa-vlog pa tayo ha. Hello mga ka-G! Marami tayong revelations na isi-share sa ating mga nanonood.
Okay, Mom. So, para mas pakilala ka ng mga viewers mo, siguro I'll ask you a few questions. Did you ever think na kakaiba yung childhood mo because you were exposed to all these movie stars na pinapangarap lang sigurong makita ng karamihan sa mga kababayan natin?
Yes, I thank the good Lord. Binigay sa akin ng magulang. And alam ko na bihirang pamilyang nabibigyan ng pagkakataon maging ganyan kaligaya. And I lived life like a fairy tale life.
Parang fairy tale.
Yes.
Did you ever feel like insecure
No?
because you're surrounded by all these beautiful people?
Hindi, kasi ang father ko, your Lolo Pingot, always made it a point na kaming magkakapatid, laging well-dressed. Hindi kami pwedeng lumabas ng kwarto na hindi nakaayos. At saka everyday, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas na madumi ang kuko. Tinitingnan niya ang aming kuko kung naka-properly manicure.
So, hindi papasa to kay Lolo Pingot?
Hindi.
Actually, sa mga viewers natin ngayon, there are days na feeling ko may ginawa akong ikaka-proud ni Mom. Pag bibisitahin ko siya sa kwarto niya, I would think ang una niyang sasabihin ay congratulations. But what usually happens is, titignan muna niya yung daliri ko sa kamay. Pag hindi ako nakapaggupit ng kuko, mas mangingibabaw yon kaysa sa magagandang nagawa ko para sa bansa. Nanggaling pala sa lolo ko, si Lolo Pingot. Marami bang similarities yung showbiz at saka yung politics? Since you are in a family that is in both.
I would think pareho lang. Kasi sa politika, ang mga fans ay yung constituents. Sa showbiz naman, yun mga fans mo na nanonood sa'yo. At pareho mo rin pinagsisilbihan.
If you can go back in time, may papalitan ka ba? Would you change anything?
Wala. I'm happy with my life as a child, as I was growing up, when I had children, and ang aking mga kapatid, wala akong papalitan because I love what happened to me. Maybe I would try to be more patient.
Even in your adult life, there's nothing that you would change. O siguro nung namatay si Casey, diba?
But you cannot change that because that was the destiny.
Yeah.
I had to learn how to accept the death of my child.
Okay. And I'm sure that was really difficult.
It was very devastating. Pero siguro binigay yun sa akin ng Panginoon to test my faith and to help other mothers like me who lost a child.
So parang yung pain na pinagdaanan mo, na transform mo siya into something na makakatulong sa marami
Na-transform
nating
ko yung
kababayan.
aking deep pain and sorrow into something positive.
Ma'am, parang marami ka na rin pinagdaanan in life, no? Parang malanobela na nga actually yung buhay mo.
Parang ang K-drama ang buhay ko.
Parang K-drama na yung buhay
Kaya
mo.
nga lagi ako nanonood ng K-drama.
Yeah, that's right. Another question. I'll make it naman about me. Okay? So, I'm on my last term na rin, third term, sa pagiging congressman. Siyempre, before ako umabot sa puntong ito, marami rin akong pinagdaanan in which naging saksi ka doon. And you've been yung taong parati kong sinishare ng aking mga challenges in life. From your memory, is there a moment na pinaka na-disappoint ka sa akin?
No, I've always been very proud of you from the day you were born.
Wow! Oh, rinig niyo yan,
Kasi si Christopher is such an obedient son, very loving, very talented, and pareho ko siya, he never wastes his time. Lagi na lang siyang nagtatrabaho. Gusto niya efficient ang nakapagligid sa kanya para marami siyang magawa. And he loves to serve the people, especially the people here in the 4th District of Pangasinan. Nakita ko kung gaano siya ka-dedicated. Minsan, Lagari King, punta dito, uwi sa Congress, mag-a-attend doon, balik na naman dito.
But do you have advice that you can give to me? Especially I'm in my last year and then after nito, bagong yugto na naman yung mangyayari sa buhay ko pag alis ko ng politika.
Just continue with your advocacy, the creative industries, because it's not the end. Kumbaga nga, it's just an interruption sa ginagawa mo. And marami ka pang matutulungan because I believe na yung creative industries can help level the playing field.
So Mom, what's the best piece of advice na tinuro sa'yo ni Daddy Pingot at ni Mama Nen?
Sabi ng magulang ko sa akin, at sa lahat sa aming magkakapatid, we have to learn how to walk with kings and eat with paupers. Ibig sabihin, matuto kang makisama sa pinakamataas at matuto ka rin kumain kasama ng mga taong nangangailangan. So, walang discrimination, pareho lang sila, we're all human beings, so never kang magmamalaki in life. Kasi everything in life is temporary. You can have all these things now and tomorrow, biglang nawala. You should enjoy both. You should enjoy being up there and being down there and have a happy medium.
O, rinig niyo yun, mga kabalayan. Another word of wisdom from Manay Gina. Yun nga, mga ka-G, finally, mas nakilala natin si Manay Gina de Venecia. Yung tao sa likod ng tarpaulin na nakikita nyo dito sa PD4. So, punong-puno ng kulay ang kanyang buhay. Kaya naman, subaybayan nyo po ang lahat ng mga content pa na paparating ni Manay Gina de Venecia. Kasi very exciting, malay nyo, ay marami kayong mga lessons sa matutunan at mga kaalaman na makuha para sa inyong buhay. Thank you, Mom!
Heart,
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 heart! Love you, my son!
Love you, Mamay!
Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And tell me your comments kung gusto niyo ano pang ikwento ko next time. Thank you.